Welcome back to and this guides. In today's video, we are going to show you how to create a channel account for PS5 and PS4. Let's begin. Now, the first thing you need to do is to log in using your credentials. If this is your first time on PlayStation, click on the Create an Account option, and from here just follow the on-screen instructions and you're good to go. Now, creating a child account for PS5 and PS4 offers numerous benefits for both parents and children. Because number one, child accounts allow parents to set up and manage parental controls, including restrictions on game ratings, internet browsing, and communication with other players. This ensures a safe and age-appropriate gaming environment because parents can set limits on playtime, helping children balance their gaming with other activities such as homework, course, and physical activity. Now, all you have to do once you are logged into your account, hover to the upper right corner and click on the account settings. Now, once you are here, I need you to click on the family management. And then what will happen is to set up a family to tailor your children's experience with parental controls. Here are some of the options that you can have. So click on the Setup Now button. And from here, all you have to do is add a child. Of course, you select the date of birth. Now, for example, for this video, we're just gonna pick some random values. And from here, alright, so let's try to set up now again. That's an epic fail. I see. Now probably like maybe around here, like 4 years. No, that's too young, right? Now, to add children to your family, this number is this price or monetary value is charged is necessary to verify that you are an adult. All right, of course, all you have to do is just click on next, and again you need to have an added payment method. To continue, you need to add a credit or debit card or link a PayPal account. Now, once you verified all of the payment methods in your Sony or PlayStation account, you would be able to see the member here added to your members to the family management, and that's how you create a child account for PS5 and PS4. Thank you so much for watching, and we will see you again in the next video. And if you encounter any problems along the way, just go to the PlayStation support. Thanks for watching.